In this video, I'm going to be doing affiliate marketing for the next 2 days and hopefully make some money. I've already found my strategy. I'm gonna find Instagram pages and pay them for advertisements, and they will promote my affiliate link on their story. So when someone swipes up and gets the free membership with my affiliate link, I will get paid. Let's get started. So, here's the plan.
The game plan is you go in there.
A few days ago, I signed up for the Amazon affiliate program, and now I will promote the free trial of the Audible Plus membership. So let me show you the prices. So, when someone gets the Audible free trial digital membership, just a free trial, I will get $5. So the person pays $0 and I can make $5 just from that. If that person decides to get gold digital membership, I will get $10. After that, after the free trial, if that person wants to continue on Audible and get more audiobooks, I will get 50 cents for every audiobook that he will purchase. So the main thing here is the free trial digital membership. So in possibilities, this one is the best because it's most likely for someone to swipe up on Instagram and get something for free. And as I said in the beginning of the video, I will promote this, my affiliate link, on Instagram pages on stories, and I think they will charge me around $10 per story. So what we need is 2 people to get the free trial, and we can make the $10 that we will pay. But of course, I'm not here to not lose money, I am here to make some profit, baby. So I hope we get more than 2 people. So let's get my Audible affiliate link. On Amazon Associates, I'm going to Amazon Bounty Program. Oops. And from here, I'm choosing Try Audible Plus. Get link, short link, and this is my link. In case you wanna try Audible, my link is in I'm kidding. Maybe I'll put it. Now that I have my affiliate link, I need to find Instagram pages that are about books. I'm gonna find book pages because they have the audience that have interest in Audible. I mean, if they like books, they probably gonna like audiobooks. So they are my target audience. Let's find some Instagram pages. I found these pages. Classy Books, The Bookaholics, My Book Features, and more pages about books. And now I'm gonna DM them and ask them how much they charge for story ads and make a deal if possible. So, what happened? I messaged a lot of Instagram pages, but only a few responded. I mean, only 3-4 Instagram pages, and some of them wanted more than $40 for ads. But guess what?
She didn't get it.
Instead, I negotiated with some Instagram pages, and in total, I paid $36 on Instagram ads. So how much did I get in return? I mean, it's just a free trial that the user needs to do, right? Well, I got 0. Yup, I got 148 clicks, but none of them got the free trial. Look, I'm not saying that this is not worth it. It's completely worth it. In fact, I want to do more videos about affiliate marketing. I don't know, I just have an interest in that. And maybe the reason that I didn't get any money from this is because of my promo ad. Maybe it wasn't good enough. Or maybe the topic wasn't good. I mean, the Audible and the promoting it on book pages. But I will continue on affiliate marketing, and if you want to see more videos about affiliate marketing, let me know in the comments or like the video. I mean, affiliate marketing is great. You don't have to work. I mean, you just take a link in the beginning, and after that, you can make money even after days, weeks, months. And basically, you don't do anything. You just promote an item, a product, or a service. In fact, I have affiliate links too in my description. There are my gears, my microphone, my camera, my lens, or something else, I don't remember. For example, I have the affiliate link of these products in my description, and what it does when a buyer, when you guys go and buy that product, for example this product, let's say this is $100. You buy it, $100, you don't pay anything more, but I get a commission from that website. And I'm not doing, and I don't suggest you to do affiliate marketing with your audience if you have a YouTube channel and Instagram just to make money. Take the product, use it, and if you love it, if you like it, you can then promote it. That's what I do. I mean, my microphone, my camera, my lens, those are the things that I use and I love. So that's why I'm promoting it. Basically, affiliate marketing is good. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. Here's a video that I do another challenge, a Bitcoin mining challenge, so if you wanna watch this video, you can watch it after this video. So I guess see you over there, bye bye.